build Android app in Google Studio that uses AI. So this is the Android app that I built. This is the app icon. Let me tap on it for you to see. And as you can see, my Android app has opened perfectly fine and it is using the AI. Okay, so before you be able to use it, you have to come and then enter your API key right here. So let me paste in my API key right here. And after that, all that you have to do is simply come and then come and tap on save and continue. After tapping on it, you see that it will open your app just like this. When I tap on the settings, you see that from here, my API key is connected and I can come and then remove it by tapping on the remove. Okay, so let me tap on it for you to see. And as you can see, I have the option to simply come and then tap on remove to remove it, but I'm not going to remove it. Okay, so when I come here to, I have the about and then the privacy. When I tap on it over here, you can see that I am using AI and I'm using Gemma. Okay, I'm using the Gemma models and it is completely free. You don't have to pay any money. So let me tap on close and let me use it for you to see. So when I come here to the home, you see that over here, my AI can help me solve math questions. So I'm going to use it to solve this by tapping on solve with AI. So when I tap on it over here, you see that the AI has completed the math equation and it is giving me exactly the steps that it went through to solve the whole math. So when I come back here and then I come and then tap on the history, as you can see, it has successfully given me all the questions that it has solved. And I built it right inside Google Studio. Okay, so when I come here to where we have my app and then I tap on it, you see that from here, from my Android app, this is the first one. Let me tap on it for you to see the one that I built with AI. And this is the Android app that I built with AI for completely free without writing any code myself. So let me show you how you can also build your own app with AI. Simply go to Google and then simply come and then type in Google Studio and then hit enter. Come and select the official site of Google Studio by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to the Google Studio platform. Okay. And then from here, all that you have to do is simply come here to the build under it. You are going to see that you have new app here. Come and click on it. And then over here, come and click on the skip. Okay. You have the option to come and then build your Android app with Gemini. What else you have to do is simply come here to where we have to put in the prompt under it. You are going to see that you have build an Android app here. Come and click on it and it is going to be added to the prompt just like this. Okay. Now, all that you need is to simply come and then paste in the prompt that you are going to use to build the Android app. I'm going to show you where to get it. So I have a link in the video description. Click on it. It's going to bring you right here to this prompt. Scroll down and come here to where it says Google Studio build prompt. You are going to see that prompt start from here. Come and put the mouse at the beginning, highlight it from the top to the bottom. It is very long, just like this. Come and then put the mouse on it, right click on it, and then simply come and click on copy to copy the whole prompt. So after copying it, simply open Notepad on your PC and come and paste the prompt inside it just like this. And first, come here to the app name, okay, where it says enter the name of your app. Come and then highlight it and then write the name of the app that you want to build. After that, simply come here to what the app does, okay, and that you are going to see that it says describe it. Come and then write a short description of what your app does, just like this. After that, simply come here to what the AI should help with, okay, and that it says that come and describe what the AI should help with. Simply come and then describe it, okay, in short sentence, just like this. Exactly. After that, simply highlight the whole prompt, put the mouse on the right click and click on copy, and simply come back to the chat and then come and paste the whole prompt inside it, just like this, inside Google Studio. Okay. After that, simply come and then click on build. So it's going to show this pop-up. Simply come and then click on allow. Okay. And that is it. Google Studio is going to show you to come and then select the design that you prefer. So over here, you have the option to simply come here and then select among all of these. You can simply take your time and then click them one after the other. But I'm simply going to go with the first one. Okay. And after that, come and click on select this design. And that is it. Google Studio is simply going to build your Android app that uses Gemma. Okay. So as you can see from here, it has successfully built it. And we have the option to simply come and then look at the app. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to look at is that when you come here to these options, you can simply come and then click on the home, and then you see that from here, this is my Android app, but the app icon is not showing. Okay, so we have to fix it. So all that you have to do is simply come here to where we have the chat and then come and tell Gemini to please add the app icon so that when you install the app on your phone, it will show, okay? And that is it. Simply come here, then come and click on the send prompt. And that is it. Gemini is simply going to add the app icon and you'll be able to see it, okay? So from here, as you can see, we can come back to the home again, and you can see from here that this is the app icon, and you can simply click on it and the app will launch just like this. So now that we have successfully built our app, you will see that from here, the app uses Gemini API key, okay? So before you're able to use it, you need to have your API key. So let me show you how to get your API key. Simply come in and click on back to start. And then from here, you're going to see that you have all this here. So all that you have to do is simply come here to the dashboard and come and click on it. It's going to bring you right here. You are going to see that you have API key right here. Come and click on it to select it. And then from the API key, you are going to see the API keys that you have created. To create a new one, simply come here to where you have create API key and come and click on it. It's going to give you this option, and then from here you have to come and then name your key. Okay, so where it says Gemini API key, come and highlight the whole thing, clear it, and then come and name it. Okay, you can name it just like the name of your app and then add Gemma API to it. After that, simply come here to where it says choose a project, come and click on it, and then come here and then come and click on create project. Okay, and over here you have to come and then name your project. You can name it the exact name just like how you name your API key. So you highlight what is there already, clear it, and come and name it with your name and then Gemma API just like this. Then I come and click on create project. Okay, so your project is going to be created just like this. You have your key name here, and then you have your project created here. Make sure that that one is selected. Then come and click on create key. So when you click on create key, it is going to create your API key. Come and click on the close to close it, and to copy it, simply look at the name of the key that we just created just like this. And then all that you are going to do is simply come here to where we have the copy, and then come and click on copy API key. It will be copied successfully for you. Come and click on this to go back, and then over here, come here to my apps and come and click on it. Okay, you're going to see that I have the apps here. Come and select the one that we just built, and that is the first one. And then from here, we can come and then install it on our phone. So simply come here to where I have the install and come and click on it. Over here, all that you have to do is simply connect a USB cable to your phone, and then make sure that it is connected to your PC. Okay, after connecting it successfully, simply come and then click on install via USB, and over here simply come and then select your phone. So select this one. After clicking on it, simply come and then click on the connect. Okay, you are going to see that there will be a pop-up like this on your phone. Simply tap on allow, and that is it. USB will be connected and it's going to install the APK right on your phone. Okay, so as you can see from here, it has successfully installed the APK, that is the app, on our phone, and you can simply come and then click on the close to close it. So let's go to the phone, and from here you're going to see that we have the app icon here. Let me tap on it for you to see. So the app has launched perfectly fine. Okay, all we need is to simply come here and then come and paste the API key that we just created and copy it right here just like this. Okay, and then come and then tap on save and then continue. Just tap on it, and that is it. It is going to be saved and the app is going to open just like this. Okay, so always when you come here to the settings and then you tap on it, you have the option to come and then remove the API key if you don't want to use it. By simply tapping on remove key, you'll be given the option to come and then confirm it, but I'm not going to remove it. Okay, and over here you're going to see that we have the about section, and it states the exact AI that is being used, and that is Gemma. Let's go back to the home, and then from here we can come and then solve our examples or question with AI. So I'm going to give it this equation. Okay, and all that I'm going to do right now is to simply tap on solve problem. Okay, so and after tapping on solve problem, as you can see, the AI is trying to load and then solve the equation for us. Since it is using AI, you have to make sure that your internet is on, and the AI is going to take some time to load. And that is it. It has successfully solved the question for us with the exact steps that it was able to use to solve it. So when you scroll down, you're going to see that over here, you have the option to simply come and then give it a follow-up questions as well. Okay, so when you go to the back, and then from here where you have the history and then you tap on it, you are going to see that we have our solved equation right here. So this is actually how to build Android app in Google Studio that uses AI. Like the video and see you in my next video.